Hello and welcome to my video in which I will be explaining a new concept of user points that is introduced with version 2.2 of VfrFlight. This version is not released yet. Okay, so I did pretty significant changes in the whole idea of user points. First of all, I got rid of I got rid of the feature that you could add navates as user points. I think it was pretty confusing to understand the whole idea, and reason that this feature even existed was because in the previous versions of VfrFlight you couldn't import too much data into it. So it was kind of workaround that you could add navates you want to it. But now it's simplified, so to add user point you can right click and choose it from the context menu. Edit its position in both formats. Let's call it VP1. And the other way to add it is to first add root point, and as previously you can just right click here and select add to database, or now you can right click and add user point WP1 over this. Let's call it WP2. Okay, the other new thing is the idea of tags. So here you have new filter, user points filter, and here you have all tags that are defined for all your user points. So if you open user points dialog, here you can edit these tags. Tags are basically text separated by comma, so let's put here test and put 1, so we'll have 2 tags, and for this one we would only put test. Okay, so right now as you could see while I was editing those, this list here was updating. Once I close it, I can filter user points with these tags just the same as it's done for airspaces. So I can set visibility for all the user points that have one tag included, right? So it's only this one, or only test, or one of those two. Those are both of them. As you could also see, colors changed, and this color coding is done in such way that user points that share the same color have the same sets of tags, so they are more easily visible in the map. Okay, so another new thing is that now you can import data from OrbX KMZ format if you are using OrbX regions. So let's do it for Norway. Once you're done, you could see pretty nice set of user points, and tags are automatically added to them. This is pretty cool, because if now I show them all, you can see that, for example, I can filter them out. Let's say I'm looking for photoreal areas, so I can see only those, and then explore them in my flights. Also, if you use import from PlanG, right now I don't have any file just to show you, but in the end it would ask you to enter tags that would be applied for all the imported points. This is optional, but once you set them, you can use this to categorize your sets of points and then filter them out using this filter. So that's pretty all of it. I hope you like new feature, and see you next time. Bye.